everyone, welcome to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and welcome to the workshop. If you're new here, I highly encourage you to click the subscribe button and follow along on the journey as I document everything here on the platform. I have a lot of amazing content planned and already up on this platform. Now keep in mind, I am primarily known as a scroll saw woodworking artist, and that is the primary focus of the channel, and those videos will always be uploaded. The main video of the week will always be up on a Monday morning. So just keep that in mind. And 9 times out of 10, the Monday video will be a scroll saw woodworking project where I show you how to make the project from start to finish and document everything. Or keep in mind, I do love the world of woodworking, so I like to dabble on the lathe, on the CNC machine, on the laser engraver and cutter. So it will be some form of woodworking project on Monday videos. On Wednesday video, it can be a variety of things. It's in the middle of the week, and I will sometimes upload a tip or trick back out here in the workshop where I will go a little more in depth and talk about everything, especially if it's a follow-up tip for a previous Monday video. Or I will take the camera off the tripod and go out into the world and film in a vlog style, in a more selfie manner, where I talk about places around my hometown of Burlington, or we will go to a museum, a park, or a historical site, and we will document it for Wednesday videos over here on the channel. And on Fridays, we upload YouTube shorts. Those are the 60-second shorts that you can throw right to YouTube directly from your cell phone. So a lot of amazing content coming down the pipe, and really cool. I feel it is my job to inspire, educate, and elevate everyone to maybe try something new or a newer style project out in their workshop and give them the confidence to do so. If anyone needs to reach out to me, I am very easily accessible through all of my social media feeds, and I always have my social media feeds and ways to contact me linked down in the description box below these videos. This is really cool. I'm having a lot of fun documenting everything, and again, I try to stay as humble and treat everyone with respect and kindness. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and also follow me over on Instagram, where I am very active and I'll post shorts throughout the day in a more behind the scenes manner, or reach out to me on the YouTube community page. Once again, if you're new here, click the subscribe button, and I look forward to the journey. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.